Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add payment methods on Airbnb. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Airbnb app. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can access various account features and settings related to your Airbnb experience. Once you're on your profile page, look for the option labeled Account Settings and tap on it. This is where you can manage all the important aspects of your Airbnb account, including personal information, security preferences, and payment options. It's basically the control center for your entire account. Now, within the Account Settings menu, you'll need to find and tap on Payments. This section is specifically designed to handle all your financial transactions on the platform, giving you control over how you pay for your bookings and how you receive payments if you're a host. Next, tap on Payment Methods. This will show you all the payment options you currently have linked to your account. If you haven't added any payment methods yet, this list might be empty, but that's exactly what we're about to fix. You'll now see a button that says Add Payment Methods. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a menu showing you all the different types of payment methods Airbnb accepts, giving you flexibility in how you want to pay for your accommodations. Now you need to choose which payment method you'd like to add. Airbnb supports various options including credit cards, debit cards, and other digital payment methods. For this example, we'll select credit or debit card. Once you've tapped on your preferred payment method, tap Next to proceed to the input screen. Here's where you'll enter your actual card information. You'll need to input details like your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address associated with the card. Make sure all the information you enter is accurate to avoid any issues with future bookings. Once you've filled in all the required fields, simply tap Done to save your new payment method to your account. And that's it. Your new payment method is now successfully added to your Airbnb account and ready to use for your next booking. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.